Oh no, I hope I don't fall.
I wanna see some ass. I wanna see some ass. Baby, can you do it like that? From the front to the back. She said I don't wanna move too fast till she hit that gas. Rockin' the puff pass. Not a whole squad getting fucked up ass. I'm just trying to see some. I ain't gotta say.
Now he's right where I want him. Let's get to work. Train a lot harder for what? That was pretty sloppy. Well, he doesn't know who he's playing with. Hey! Hear him out! Works every time.
I won't get to my strength. We need a little doll time.
Got a girl and my girl got a girl too. Scarface crib is my world too. My pillow recognize the perfume.
He's like grandpa.
Talk a poor little bitch when it's automatic. Pussy money, alcohol, I'm a big fanatic. And my diamonds so deep, chain so dramatic.
Just go in the room, you're not gonna understand, please. Just listen.
This your dick, baby girl. I'm a girl. Anytime cool, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right to shelter you from the storm.
I'm not finished.
Girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. That girl, wanna be the papa, you can be the mom. Because the girl them broke out on the floor from you don't wanna work this performer. From you don't wanna.
Well, yet they always seem a step ahead of us. Now, I would never suggest turning on one's own family.
But if Dagger is standing in the way of our success, that is not to be tolerated.
Couldn't have put it better myself. Couldn't have put it better myself.
Where's your dragon when you need him?
Don't you want to?
Such nonsense.
Don't you want to?
That is impressive.
Don't you want to?
Such nonsense.
Don't you want to?
That is impressive.
I can keep a secret, kid. Yeah. Got my mind on your body and your body on my mind. Got a taste for the cherry, I just need to take a bite.
Shoot up, gang.
Never take a toy from a dragon. Don't you know anything?
Yeah, we dealt with his camera.
I'm with it, who else? Roughneck. Yeah, that was my night. You don't run from a fight, at least I don't. I could do that if I were you.
It's the millionaires just like me, who cuss like me, who just don't give a
So,
fuck like me, who
what
dress
are you
like
gonna
me,
do
who
about
walk,
it?
talk, and act like me, and just
Shoot
like
up, gang.
me, the next best thing.
We're going to get them back.
I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady, all you wanna.
Did I or did I not warn you about them? They never quit. Annoying.
Are you just gonna stand there and agree with everything?
Well, you're right. You're back to where you started. But I was the first to believe in you. And I have watched you doubt whether you're worthy ever since. But you know what? I am the person I am today because of you. I never told you that, but
If that dragon shows either of his... There! Your butts are getting bigger. We thought you were a dragon. Not that there's anything wrong with a dragon.
Bad days made 100 good stories. 100 good stories make me interesting at parties.
100 bad days made 100 good stories. 100 good stories make me interesting at parties. Yeah. No, I ain't scared of you. No, I ain't scared of you no more.
You know that doesn't work out. You're my best friend, bud. Once you learn his loyalty, there is nothing a dragon won't do for you.
You won't be changing any minds around here.
I can change yours. Right here, right now.
He's alive. You brought him back alive.
He's challenging the Alpha to protect you.
After all, it's not just anyone who can touch your nightmare.
And this is Toothless. He says we're going. Now.
You've never had a prisoner this hot.
What were you doing?
Do you have something to say, Riker?
I feel like the same screw-up I was before I met you.
Never take the points from the dragon. Don't you know?
Because you know who doesn't want to eat rat dessert? Me!
Which makes you a traitor.
I could be a better boyfriend than him. I could do the shit that he never did. Up all night, I won't quit thinking I'm gonna steal you from him. I could be such a gentleman. Plus all my clothes would fit.
With a dirty dog, I'm a dirty dog, bitch. Fucking with a dirty dog. I'm a dirty dog, bitch. Fucking with a dirty dog. I'm a dirty dog, bitch. Fucking with a dirty dog. I'm a dirty dog, bitch. Fucking with a dirty dog. I'm a dirty dog, bitch. Fucking with a dirty dog. I'm a dirty dog, bitch. Fucking with a dirty dog. I'm a dirty dog, bitch. Fucking with a dirty dog. I'm a dirty dog, bitch. Fucking with a dirty dog.
There were dragons when I was a boy. Oh, there were great, grim sky dragons that nested on the cliff tops like gigantic, scary birds. Little brown scuttly dragons that hunted down the mice and rats in well-organized packs. Preposterously huge sea dragons that were 20 times as big as the big blue whale. Some say they crawled back into the sea, leaving not a bone nor a fang for men to remember them by. Others say they were nothing but folktales to begin with. I'm okay with that.
Save it from the funny tricks of time slipping through my fingers.
I saw a piece of heaven waiting patient for me, and I was running far away. Would I run off the world someday? Nobody knows, nobody knows. I was dancing in the rain, I felt alive and I can't complain. But Lord, take me home where I can't take it anymore.
It's okay, bud. You belong there. We don't.